Hello my dear number friends. Today we are going to see a number puzzle. We all know about prime numbers. This 7, 11, 13 are prime numbers. Let us take a 3-digit number 258. Form a 6-digit number using 258 twice, writing 2 times, 258, 258, and divide the 258 by 7. What did you get? Which is equal to 258, 258. 258 divided by 7, which is equal to 36894. Then take this quotient 36894 and divide it by 11, which is equal to divided by 11, which is equal to 3354. 3354. And divide the 3354 by 30. Divide by 30. Which gives the quotient divide by 30. 258. What we have done is we have taken series number 258. The next writing the 258 twice, 258, 258, we got the 6-digit number, and the 6-digit number is divided by 7. We get the quotient 36,894. The 36,894 again divided by 11, next prime number 11. That is 3354, that is 3354 is the quotient. That quotient 3354, 3354 is divided by 13. We get the quotient 258. We have taken 258, successively divided by 7, 11, 13. We get the quotient also 258. This is the thing we have got. If you take any 2-digit number, let us take another example. Take 123 or 789, whatever it is. 789. Then form a number 789. 789. Divide this number by 7. What we get? 789. 789 divided by 7, which is equal to 112,827. Then 112,827, 112,827. Divided by 11, the next number. Next prime number 7, 11, 13 we have taken. Divided by 11, we get divided by 11, we get 10,257. 10,257. Again, the 10,257 is divided by 13. 10,257 is divided by 13. What we get? The same 789. That is, when we take a 3-digit number and forming another 6-digit number by writing twice, successively dividing by 7, 11, 13. The final quotient is 258 for the first case. For the second case, we have taken 789, formed a 6-digit number 789, 789, successively divided by 7, 11, 13, which is equal to 789. That is, after dividing successively the number, prime number 7, 11, 13, we get the last quotient is 789. From this what we observe, if you take any 3 number, for example ABC, writing twice, ABC, actually this first ABC is 1 unit, 1 tenth hundred, this is 1000, which is equal to ABC into 1000 plus ABC into 1, which gives 1000 ABC plus 1 ABC, which is equal to 1001 ABC. 1001 ABC. The 1001 ABC divided by 7, we get, divided by 7 what we get, the quotient 1001 by 7. 1001 by 7, which is equal to 143. 143 ABC. 143 ABC is divided by 11, which is equal to 143 divided by 11 is equal to 30. 13 ABC. 13 ABC by 13, we get ABC. In general form, we have taken ABC and formed a 6-digit number ABC, and where we can be written as ABC into 1000 plus ABC into 1. The 1000 ABC plus 1 ABC, that is equal to 1001 ABC. 1001 ABC divided by 11 is equal to 1001 ABC. The 1001 ABC divided by 11, we get 143 ABC. 143 ABC divided by 11, we get 13 ABC. 13 ABC divided by 11, 13, we get ABC. What finding in this example, through this example, if you take any number, any 3-digit number, if you take any 3-digit number and forming a 6-digit number by writing twice, and that 6-digit number will always be divided by 7, 11 and 13, where the 7, 11, 13 are the prime numbers. 7, 11, 13 are the not only prime numbers but continuous prime numbers, which is less than 15. So if ABC is divided by the 3 prime number 7, 11, 13, not only divided by 7, 11, 13, and also give the quotient as same ABC. Here we have taken 258 form, 6-digit number form, divided by 7 we got this quotient, divided by 11 we got this quotient, divided by 11, 13 we got this quotient, the final quotient 258, and the 3-digit number what we have taken 258, both are same. And similarly for second one, we have taken 3 number 788 and formed a 6-digit number by writing 2 or twice, and successively divided by 7, 11, 13, and we got that the final quotient is 789, and the number 3 number taken also 789. Here ABC, the general form. If you take any 3 number like ABC, ABC, this value is equal to this, 1000 ABC, and divided by 7, 11, 13, we get the last question ABC. So, this is the finding we have got from these examples, and similarly, since the mathematics is a man-made subject, anyone can, if interested, can find out so many properties, and if you are interested in this type of videos, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.